sangria, you can use all kinds of different fruits, whatever is your preference. And I'm making a red sangria. I'm adding in lemons, limes, and orange slices. And I'm also adding in some canned chunk pineapple. So all the work is done for me. And I'm adding about a half a can. I'll have half of it left over to do a second batch. I'm not really adding in the juice. I'm using a spoon with a strainer. I'm adding in some fresh blackberries. Now, sangria is red wine with brandy. I already purchased a pre-made sangria, and this one was absolutely delicious. I asked the person at my liquor store to recommend one for me, and he chose this one, and it really has a great taste, and it has an orange flavor to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some orange juice just to give it a little bit, of something sweet. Now you can do your own red wine and brandy, and you can use a sparkling wine. I didn't want to make it too boozy, so I just added a sparkling water to it. And I made this about 2 hours before my guests arrived. So I put it in the fridge and I added the seltzer water, ahead of time. What you could do is you could add the seltzer water at the end right before you serve it, to avoid the bubbles getting flat. But for just a couple hours beforehand, it was perfect. Then I just filled it up and put it in the fridge. And when my guests arrived, we were ready to enjoy.
How does it taste? How did it come out? Is it watered down?
It's like it's like going to the casino.
It's good? Really good? All right, success with the sangria.